Hello, hello, hello. Boom, look at that. To show you the size. Boom. He's gonna help me do a little unboxing here. All right. So, without further ado, open.
It comes in a giant bag.
It does. It's to protect it. You think you can pull it out? I bet you can. Here, pull the bag out. Yeah, give it a wiggle, give it a wiggle, give it a wiggle. Excellent. Oh, you got it. Okay, now. All right. You're lucky I love you.
I'm kind of the opener. I should probably spin around the other way.
Oh, yeah. You want to take the saran wrap off for me? Please and thank you. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. World Massage Festival is here. Woo!